హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఈ వీడియోలో కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ 2 మార్క్స్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. మీకు ఐఐటి జేఈ ఎంసెట్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ మరి ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కోసం డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఇవ్వబడిన టెలిగ్రామ్ గ్రూప్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వగలరు. లెట్ స్టార్ట్స్ ద లెసన్. సి ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, z ఈక్వల్స్ టు కాస్ టీటా కామా సైన్ టీటా ఫైండ్ z మైనస్ 1/z. సో ఫస్ట్ రైట్ z ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు కాస్ టీటా ప్లస్ I sin theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta. Next find out the 1/z. 1/z equals to 1 by cos theta plus I sin theta. If you see denominator is a complex number, then immediately multiply divide by its conjugate. Denominator లో ఎప్పుడైతే కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్ ఉంటుందో దీని యొక్క కాంజుగేట్తో మల్టిప్లై డివైడ్ చేయాలి. 1 by cos theta plus I sin theta. వాట్ ఈజ్ ఇట్స్ కాంజుగేట్? కాంజుగేట్ అంటే ప్లస్ ఐ ఉంటే మైనస్ ఐ రాయాలి, మైనస్ ఐ ఉంటే ప్లస్ ఐ. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాస్ టీటా మైనస్ ఐ సైన్ టీటా బై కాస్ టీటా మైనస్ ఐ సైన్ టీటా. సో 1 into this value is equals to cos theta minus I sin theta by what is the product of denominators? It is a plus b into a minus b form. So that is a square minus b square. Cos square theta minus I square sin square theta. So cos theta minus I sin theta divided by cos square theta minus I square. I square is minus 1. What is I square value? Minus 1. Minus into minus plus sin square theta is equals to cos theta minus I sin theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta value 1. So this is equals to what is 1/z value? Cos theta minus I sin theta. Now find out the z minus 1/z. Z minus 1/z equals to what is z value? Cos theta plus I sin theta minus 1/z cos theta minus I sin theta is equals to cos theta plus I sin theta multiplied by minus cos theta minus into minus plus I sin theta. Minus cos theta plus cos theta cancel. I sin theta plus I sin theta. 2 times of I sin theta. 2 times of I sin theta. Now write this one into ordered pair. What is real part here? 0. Imaginary part 2 sin theta. So z minus 1/z value is 0 comma 2 sin theta. Next question. Find the real and imaginary part of a complex number. First write, let the complex number z equals to a plus ib by a minus ib. First convert into standard form x plus iy. If you see denominator ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలని చెప్పాము మీకు. So multiply divide by its conjugate a minus ib. What is its conjugate? A plus ib. Minus ఉంటే a plus ib by a plus ib is equals to a plus ib into a plus ib. A plus ib whole square by a minus b into a plus b form. This is a square minus b square. B square means a square. A plus b whole square form. This is a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square by a square. What is I square value? Minus 1. Minus into minus plus b square. So is equals to a square plus, right, first I remaining 2ab right here, 2ab. What is I square value? Minus b square by a square plus b square. Next write the real parts together. What are the real parts? A square minus b square. So right here a square minus b square plus I into 2ab by a square plus b square. Now write the real parts. A square minus b square by a square plus b square plus I into 2ab by a square plus b square. Now it is x plus iy form. Therefore what is the real part of z? Real part of z is a square minus b square by a square plus b square. What is the imaginary part of z? Imaginary part of z is equals to 2ab by a square plus b square. Okay. Next question. Z equals to 2 minus 3i, then show that z square minus 4z plus 13 equals to 0. First write z is equals to 2 minus 3i. Now transpose 2, it becomes z minus 2 equals to minus 3i. Now squaring on both sides, z minus 2 whole square equals to minus 3i whole square. It is a minus b whole square form. So a square minus 2ab, 2 into z into 2, 4z plus b square, 2 square value 4 equals first minus 3 square 9 I square, z square minus 4z plus 4, 9 into I square value minus 1 is equals to minus 9. Now transpose minus 9 this side, z square minus 4z plus 4 plus 9 equals to 0. Z square minus 4z, 4 plus 9, 13 equals to 0. So this is the answer. Okay. Next question. Find the complex conjugate of this number. సో మనం కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్లో ఏ ప్రాబ్లం చేయాలన్నా ఫస్ట్ దాన్ని x ప్లస్ ఐవైకి కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. z ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 3 ప్లస్ 4i ఇంటూ 2 మైనస్ 3i. Now do the product. 3 into 2, 6 minus 3 into 3, 9i. Now multiplied by 4i. 4i into 2, 8i minus 4 3 are 12, I into I square. 6 minus 9i plus 8i minus I minus 12 into I square value minus 1. What is I square value? Minus 1. 6 minus I plus 12, that is equals to 6 plus 12 real parts 18 minus I. What is this? This is a z. Now find the conjugate of this one. Conjugate of this one. So what is conjugate of z is equals to z bar. Z bar means it becomes 18 plus I. So what is z bar value? 18 plus I. 18 minus I conjugate is 18 plus I. Next question. Show that z1 z2 are the conjugate to each other. So this is very very important question. z1 z2 conjugate అయితే ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. ఫర్ దిస్ సెలెక్ట్ z2 సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. వాట్ ఇస్ z2? మైనస్ 2 ప్లస్ ఐ బై 1 మైనస్ 2i హోల్ స్క్వేర్. ఓకే. సో ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్పాండ్ దిస్. మైనస్ 2 ప్లస్ ఐ బై, it is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula a square minus 2 into a into b, so minus 4i plus b square, so 2i whole square value 4i square minus 2 plus I by 1 minus 4i plus 4 into I square value minus 1 is equals to minus 2 plus I by 1 minus 4i minus 4. This is minus 4. Okay. Minus 2 plus I by minus 3 minus 4i. Now take out minus common numerator. It becomes 2 minus I by 2 minus I by 2 plus minus 3 common. Minus common, so 3 plus 4i. Now minus minus get cancel is equals to 2 minus I by 3 plus 4i. Now denominator is a, what is denominator? Denominator is a complex number, that's why multiply divide by its conjugate. What is its conjugate? 3 minus 4i by 3 minus 4i. Let's see the next page. Okay, see the product. 2 into 3 6 minus 2 into 4 8i. Now multiplied by minus I, minus 3i minus into minus plus 4i square by denominator is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Okay. 6 minus 8 minus 3 minus 11i, 4 into minus 1, I square value minus 1 by 9 minus 16. What is I square value? Minus 1. This implies 4 into minus 1 minus 4 plus 6. So 2 minus 11i by 25. What is this one? This is Z2. Z2 equals to 2 minus 11i by 25. What is its conjugate? Conjugate of Z2 is equals to Z2 bar. What is Z2 bar? Z2 bar conjugate minus 11i దగ్గర ప్లస్ రాయాలి. 2 plus 11i by 25. 2 plus 11i by 25 equals to Z1. See the question. 2 plus 11i by 25 equals Z1. Therefore, two complex numbers are conjugate to each other. Conjugate to each other. Okay. Right. Next question. This is also very important question. Find the square root of this one. First compare with x plus iy. So then what is x value? X value is minus 5, y value is 12. So what is y value? Y value 12. First of all, find the under root of x square plus y square is equals to minus 5 square plus 12 square is equals to under root 5 square 25 plus 144 169, that is 13. So this is the formula, square root of x plus iy formula, plus or minus under root of root x square plus y square plus x by 2 plus I under root of root x square plus y square minus x by 2. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంటే మధ్యలో ప్లస్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ మైనస్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ తీసుకోవాలి. నౌ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ ద స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ minus 5 plus 12i is equals to plus or minus under root of, what is root x square plus y square value? 13. We can substitute directly here. 13 plus x value minus 5 by 2 plus I into under root of root x square plus y square value 13 minus x value what is x value? Minus 5 by 2. Okay, is equals to plus or minus under root of 13 plus into minus 13 minus 5 8 by 2 plus I into under root of that minus and minus plus 13 plus 5 18 by 2 is equals to plus or minus 2 1s 2 4s. So root 4 value 2 plus I into 2 1s 2 9s, root 9 value 3. So what is the answer? Plus or minus 2 plus 3. What is the square root of this number? Plus or minus 2 plus 3. Next question. Find the square root of 7 plus 24i. This is also very important question. First compare with x comma y. So x is equals to 7, y is equals to 24. So use the formula and find its solution. Okay, so what is formula? First of all, find the root x square plus y square is equals to root 7 square plus 24 square. So 49 plus 576 is equals to root 625 equals to 25. So use formula, square root of 7 plus 24i is equals to formula plus or minus under root of x square plus y square value 25 minus x 7 by 2 plus under root of x square plus y square 25, and this is plus x, next to minus x value 7 by 2. Okay, is equals to plus or minus under root of 25 plus 7 32 by 2 plus I into 25 minus 7 18 by 2. So is equals to plus or minus root 16 plus I into root 9. Answer is plus or minus root 16 value 4 plus 3i. What is its answer? 4 plus 3i. Okay, next question. a plus ib whole square equals to x plus iy. Find x square plus y square. So for this take modulus. Mod a plus ib whole square equals to mod x plus iy. So what is modulus formula? Under root of real part square plus imaginary part square whole square is equals to modulus of x plus iy, x square plus y square. So square root get cancelled. A square plus b square equals to under root of x square plus y square. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So a square plus b square whole square equals to, it's a whole square. So square root get cancelled. X square plus y square. So this is the answer. Next question. Write this one in the polar form. So this is a very important question. So first compare with x plus iy. What is x value? X is equals to minus root 7, y equals to root 21. So x is a positive, x is a negative, y is a positive. So it lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Okay. So first find the tan alpha value. Tan alpha equals to mod y by x. Mod y value root 21 by x value minus root 7. So it is modulus always gives positive output. 21 by 7, that is root 3. Tan alpha root 3, then alpha equals to how many degrees? 60. 60 means pi by 3. Now here the point lies in second quadrant. Point lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, principal amplitude theta is equals to principal amplitude or argument amplitude theta equals to, what is second quadrant? Pi minus alpha. So pi minus alpha, pi minus pi by 3 is equals to 2 pi by 3. So now write the polar form. What is polar form? What is polar form? Z is equals to r of cos theta plus I sin theta. Now theta value is 2 pi by 3. Now find out the r value. What is r? R is under root of x square plus y square. What is x square? Minus root 7 whole square. 7 plus root 21 whole square. 21. So is equals to root 28. That means this is 2 root 7. So is equals to 2 root 7. What is r value? 2 root 7 into cos theta 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. So this is the answer. Polar form is r of cos theta plus I sin theta. First alpha find cheyali. Alpha a quadrant lo unte pi minus theta avutundi. Okay. Next question. This is also very important. Now first find out the x value. What is x value? X is equals to minus 1, y equals to minus 1, y x plus iy. Therefore it lies in which quadrant? X negative, y negative. It lies in third quadrant. Okay. Now find out r. R equals to under root of x square plus y square. What is x square value? Minus 1 square 1, y square value 1. Answer is root 2. Okay, now find the tan alpha. Tan alpha equals to mod y by x. Mod y value minus 1 by minus 1 equals to 1. That implies alpha equals to tan alpha 1, then alpha is 45 degrees, pi by 4. Now write principal amplitude. Principal amplitude or argument, both are same. Principal amplitude theta is equals to, since the point lies in the third quadrant, so point in third quadrant, that's why we have to take theta as minus pi plus alpha. That means minus pi plus pi by 4 is equals to 4 into minus 5. minus 4 pi plus pi minus 3 pi by 4. What is theta value? Minus 3 pi. Now write the polar form or modulus amplitude form is equals to r of cos theta plus I sin theta. What is r value? Root 2 into cos minus 3 pi by 4 plus I sin minus 3 pi by 4. Okay, this is the answer. So very simple. First మనం tan alpha find చేయాలి. If point lies in third quadrant అయితే ఏం తీసుకోవాలి? minus pi plus alpha తీసుకోవాలి. Okay, next question. So this is also same question. What is x value? X is equals to minus 1, y equals to minus root 3. Therefore r equals to under root of x square minus 1 square plus y square minus root 3 square is equals to 1 plus 3 root 4. Root 4 value equals to 2. R equals to 2. Now find the tan alpha. Tan alpha equals to mod y by x. Mod y minus root 3 by minus 1 equals to root 3. Tan alpha root 3, then alpha is equals to how many degrees? 60 degrees, that is pi by 3. Now the point minus 1 minus I root 3 lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Lies in third quadrant. So what is principal amplitude? Principal amplitude theta is equals to, in third quadrant theta equals to minus pi plus alpha minus pi plus pi by 3. What is its answer? 3 into minus pi minus 3 pi plus pi by 3 is equals to minus 2 pi by 3. Write its polar form. What is its polar form? Polar form is equals to r of cos theta plus I sin theta. What is r value? 2 into cos of theta minus 2 pi by 3 plus I sin of minus 2 pi by 3. Okay, this is the answer. Next question. Okay, z1 equals to minus 1, z2 equals to minus I. Then find arc z1, z2. So first convert them into polar form. వీటిని polar form కి కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలా? What is z1? z1 equals to minus 1. Then simple cos pi plus I sin pi గా రాయాలి. y cos pi value minus 1, sin pi value 0. So overall minus 1. So arc z1 అంటే theta. What is theta here? Cos theta I sin theta. Theta value pi. What is z2? z2 equals to minus I. Minus I means it can be written as minus I cos of minus pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 value 0. I sin of minus pi by 2. Sin of minus theta minus sin theta. So minus I వస్తుంది కాబట్టి sin 90 value 1. I into 1. I into minus 1 అవుతుంది. So arc z2 equals to theta. What is theta value? Minus pi by 2. What is question here? Find out value of arc z1 into z2. Arc z1 into z2 formula. Arc z1 plus arc z2. What is arc z1? Pi plus z2 minus pi by 2 is equals to pi minus pi by 2 equal to pi by 2. This is the answer. Okay, next question. z1 is minus 1, z2 is I. Find the z1 by z2. So here also first write z1 minus 1. Minus 1 means cos pi plus I sin pi. So arc z1 equals to theta equals to pi. Next z2 is equals to I. I ni మనం ఏం రాయొచ్చు? సింపుల్ cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Okay, cos pi by 2 value 0, sin pi by 2 value 1. I into 1 you will get I. Here also arc z2 means theta. What is theta value? Pi by 2. Question is find out arc z1 by z2. What is formula for arc z1 by z2? Arc z1 minus arc z2 is equals to arc z1 value pi minus pi by 2. Answer is 180 minus 90, 90. 90 means pi by 2. Okay. Next question. This is also important question. ఇట్లా టూ సైడ్స్ కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ ఉండి పవర్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు జస్ట్ టేక్ ఇట్స్ మాడ్యులస్ తీసుకోవాలి. √3 plus I power 100, 2 power 99 is a constant, modulus of A plus IB. So what is modulus formula? Under root of √3 square plus 1 square whole power 100, 2 power 99, modulus of A plus IB, A square plus B square. √3 square 3 plus 1 4, √4 value 2, 2 power 100 is equals to 2 power 99 into under root of A square plus B square. 2 power 99, 2 power 99 cancel. You will get only 1 2. 2 equals under root of A square plus B square. Now squaring on both sides. What is its square? A square plus B square. Its square 4. So this is the answer. Okay. Next question. Z is equals to x plus iy and mod z equals 1, then find the locus of z. First write what is z. Z is equals to x plus iy. Mod z is equals to 1. Mod z means mod. What is z value? X plus iy equals 1. What is modulus formula? Under root of x square plus y square equals 1. Mod x plus iy, x square plus y square. So squaring on both sides, x square plus y square equals to 1 square value 1. So this is the locus of Z. It represents a circle. It represents a circle. What is its center? 0 0 and radius is 1. Okay. Next question. If the amplitude of Z minus 1 is pi by 2, find the locus. Okay. First of all, write here Z minus 1. What is Z? X plus iy minus 1. First write the real parts. X minus 1 plus iy. Amplitude of Z minus 1. Amplitude of Z minus 1 means value theta. What is theta? Theta is equals to pi by 2 is given. Theta means tan inverse imaginary part by real part is equals to pi by 2. This is one. Amplitude of Z minus 1 is pi by 2. Amplitude of Z means theta. Theta equals tan inverse imaginary part by real part. Now send tan inverse, it becomes y by x minus 1 equals to tan pi by 2. Tan pi by 2 value not defined, infinity. Y by x minus 1 equals infinity can be written as 1 by 0. Now equating the denominators, x minus 1 0, therefore x is equals to 1. So what is the locus of Z? X is equals to 1. Next question. Arg Z1 bar, arg Z2 bar are given. Find the arg Z1 plus arg Z2. So arg Z1 bar equals to pi by 5. Then what about arg Z1? Arg Z1 equals to, very very important, minus of arg Z1 bar. Okay, this implies minus pi by 5. Next, arg Z2 is given. What is arg Z2 value? Pi by 3. Now find out arg Z1 plus arg Z2. Just substitute. What is arg Z1 value? Minus pi by 5 plus arg Z2 value pi by 3. What is LCM? 5 into 3 LCM is 15. Do cross multiplication. Minus 3 pi plus 5 pi. 5 pi minus 3 pi. 2 pi by 15. Okay. This is the answer. Next question. So if this is given, then prove that. Okay. Now take modulus of each term. Mod 1 minus I into mod 2 minus I, mod 3 minus I, and so on, mod 1 minus Ni equals to mod x minus Iy. What is its modulus? Modulus is real part square plus imaginary part square into 2 square plus minus 1 square, 3 square plus minus 1 square, and so on, under root 1 square plus minus n square is equals to under root x square plus minus y whole square. Under root of 1 square 1 minus 1 square value also 1. 1 plus 1 2. Under root 2 square 4 minus 1 square 1. Root 5. Under root 3 square 9 minus 1 square 1 10 and so on is equals to root 1 plus n square is equals to under root of x square plus y square. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, what will you get? 2 into 5 into 10 into and so on. 1 plus n square is equals to square of this one. Square root get cancelled. Answer is x square plus y square. Next question. Find the least positive integer n satisfies 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n equals to 1. So least positive integer find out చేయాలా which satisfying 1 plus I by 1 minus I power n equals to 1. First convert this one into complex number form. 1 plus I by 1 plus I by 1 minus I equals to 1 plus I by 1 minus I multiply divided by its conjugate 1 plus I by 1 plus I, okay, is equals to 1 plus I whole square by denominator a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, a plus b whole square form. So 1 square plus 2ab 2i plus I square by 1 square 1 minus I square value minus 1 minus plus 1 plus 2i I square value minus 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 cancel 2i by 2 is equals to I. Now what is this value of 1 plus I by 1 minus I? Now I power n where n should be a least positive integer which satisfies 1. 1 ఎప్పుడు satisfy చేస్తుందో find out. I power n equals to 1. Suppose put n equals to 1. That implies I power 1 I. So which is not equals to 1. Next take n equals to 2. I square minus 1 not equals to 1. N equals to 3. I cube value I square into I square value minus I. This is also not so. N equals to 4. I power 4 I square whole square. What is I square? Minus 1 whole square 1. So what is the least positive integer? Least positive integer which satisfies I power n equals 1 is 4. So what is the answer? N equals to 4. Okay. Next question. Mod z plus ai equals to mod z minus a. Find the locus of z. So first write z as x plus iy plus ai is equals to x plus iy minus ai. Now write the real parts together. X plus I into y plus a is equals to mod of x plus I into y minus a. What is modulus formula? Under root of x square plus imaginary part y plus a whole square equals to under root of x square plus y minus a whole square. Now squaring on both sides. If you are squaring on both sides, you will get x square plus y plus a whole square equals to x square plus y minus a whole square. X square, this is a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square value a square. X square plus a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now x square y square a square equals to x square y square a square. Transpose minus 2ay minus 2ay becomes plus 2ay 0. 4ay equals to 0. That implies y equals to 0. Y equals 0 means it represents the x axis. What is the locus of this one? X axis. Thank you for watching. సో ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ మళ్ళీ రివిజన్ చేసి వినండి, ఖచ్చితంగా మీకు మంచి మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి. సో అలాగే ఈ వీడియోని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.